So here is me actually building the damn PC. I did get one of these mounting brackets for the CPU. As you know, these 12th and 13th gen Intels are known for having terrible contact with the coolers, so this should alleviate the issue hopefully. It is only a 12400F, but should I upgrade to a 13600K, 3700K or 3900K even, it would be more useful, but it does add a bit of difference. It's something to do, and it's something I've never done before. I took it nice and slowly to lower it down and apply even pressure across the chip, and done. And now the tower cooler. It's a Vectra V5 because of course I watched Jay's 2 cents. Next is the RAM. Two nice sticks, and hopefully the investment in DDR5 now will pay dividends in the future as time goes on and games become more dependent on faster RAM. And now the last part of building the motherboard chunk is to add two M.2 sticks here and here. And there is my motherboard chunk. Subscribe for part 3.